Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you an example about squeeze theorem. So, sabi natin sa squeeze theorem is lagi natin tong ginagamit kapag meron tayong limits involving trigonometric functions. No? Yun yung usually the case kung saan ginagamit yung squeeze theorem. So kapag nakita kayo ng trigonometric function, highly likely tapos complex siya, gamitan natin ang squeeze theorem. So, first things first is sabi natin yung steps natin. Step 1 is to get the expression with known bounds. No? So alam natin na sine 2 pi over x is just from negative 1 to 1. Tama? Tapos alam natin na f of x, so 2 to the x, is increasing function, meaning that as x increases, f of x also increases. Tama? So, ang pwede natin gawin is gawin natin 2 sine 2 pi over x to. So, para mabalance, ang gawin natin, erase din natin yung left side. So, 2 to the minus 1 and magiging 2 to the 1 to. Okay? Tapos ngayon, kailangan natin makakuha ng square root of 5x squared plus x to the 4. Tama? So, ang gawin natin is multiply natin sila lahat by square root of 5x squared plus x to the 4. Yun yung sinasabi natin na manipulate yung equation para makuha natin yung desired expression natin. So, multiply natin. So, square root ng 5x squared plus x to the 4 times 2 to the minus 1 is less than or equal to square root ng 5x squared plus x to the 4 2 sine 2 pi over x less than or equal to square root ng 5x squared plus x to the 4 2 to the 1. Okay? So ngayon, what we can do is to now to get the limit of all of these expressions. So we get the limit as x approaches 0 ng square root ng 5x squared plus 4 all over 2 and limit as x approaches 0 square root ng 5x squared plus x to the 4th 2 raised to sine 2 pi over x and limit x approaches 0 ng square root ng 5x squared plus x to the 4th times 2. Okay? So, check natin ngayon yung limit, no? So, ano ba limit nito? So, 5x squared plus x to the 4th. So, this is x to the 4th. So, this will become square root ng 5 times 0 squared plus 0 to the 4th all over 2. So, this is just basically 0. And itong sa kabila, so this is just basically 5 times 0 squared plus 0 to the 4th times 2, or just basically 0. Meaning, itong limit na to is also equal to 0. Okay, so by squeeze theorem, limit as x approaches 0 ng square root ng 5x squared plus x to the 4th times 2 raised to sine 2 pi all over x is equal to 0. Kasi, yung left side nag-equal to 0 and yung right side nag-equal din sa 0. Meaning, yung gitna, kung napapagitnaan siya nitong dalawang function na to, then it is also equal to 0. Kasi, walang ibang value na pwedeng maging yung limit na yun. Okay, so that is our example for squeeze theorem and let's have another one in the next video.